Hey y'all, so I forgot about this product. I gotta tell y'all a little story first. So I was out doing a little self-care and I was like, my eyebrow lady was out of town, so I usually go to Ulta and get my eyebrows done, but my eyebrow lady was gone on vacation. So I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go to Walmart and let them do it, even though I dread going to Walmart, you know, to get my eyebrows done because I'm used to getting them threaded, and now I get waxed, but I only get waxed at Ulta again. So I go, I have a horrible experience with my eyebrows, but I had decided before, when I sat down and when I went in there, that I was gonna let them do my lashes too. So the lady messed up one of my eyebrows, so I gotta wait for it to grow back. So I'll be doing my eyebrows myself until my ends grow back, and then I let the lady do my eyelashes. It was a horrible experience. First of all, my eyelids were crunchy as ever. Like, lately I've been wearing like strip lashes, but I get them from Amazon, so the band is not thick at all. Like, it's a very thin band, so it doesn't feel crunchy or heavy or anything like that. And so to have those really heavy eyelashes on my eyes, like, I mean, I woke up pretty, but they didn't feel good at all. They were crunchy. It was hella glue on my eyelashes, and I'm pretty sure that I took some of my eyelashes out trying to take them off. So I was watching TikTok, and I ran across this girl on TikTok that shared her techniques on doing her own lashes on TikTok. So I'm going to share with you the girl's TikTok name. And so I gotta tell you all of this before I can show you what I bought. So the girl's name on TikTok is here she is. I cannot even pronounce it, but I'm gonna show you the name. I'm gonna show you the girl, and I'm gonna show you the name, and I'll put the name somewhere on the screen and at her. But this is the girl, and she shows you how to do your lashes. That's the name right there, and then I'll put it on the screen as well. So I ordered, long story short, I ordered some lashes off of Amazon. And so I am opening them up today with you guys. So I actually got them before the Prime sale, which wasn't smart, but I had already ordered them, so it was too late. And so she talks frequently about this brand called Lashview. And so I just got the kit instead of ordering all of the stuff separately. So it comes with, it's 144 pieces. It is, the lengths are 10, 12, 14, and 16 are the lengths. Ooh, 16 is really long. I probably won't use 16. But it comes with the box of lashes, a bond and lock, which she calls bond and seal. And it basically, you just put the glue on there, and then once you're done putting all the lashes on there, then you go back and seal them and, you know, lock everything together, is the way she explains it. And then it has a lash remover as well, and then it has a mini they call it a Phoenix applicator, and then a mini eyelash curler that comes with it. So yeah, I just got the set. And so this is all the stuff that comes in it over here. The brand is called Lashview. This is the Breeze Cluster Lashes Kit. They are cruelty free, super fine band, ultra soft and light, premium quality. And then the tips are, use the same brand of lash glue and remover to work better. So they have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube page. They have a website, lashviewbeauty.com. Then if you have any issues, they have support at lashview.com. And then all of their social media is at Lashview Eyelash. So if you want to add them, if you want to go and check out any videos that they have, I haven't personally seen their page. I got their stuff off of the girls page that I showed you. And then it goes from 10 to 16 millimeters. And then the lash remover is oil based. Just I'm gonna open it up. And it has a seal, so okay, so I was out today looking for so you see all the lash videos where the girls are using this long curved thing that kind of is the shape of your eyelashes to press down their lashes together so that everything, you know, is seamless. And I was looking for one and I couldn't find one, so I ended up buying this from Sally's today when it came with one and I forgot. So, and it's gold, so that's super cute and girly. So it comes with the little lash applicator. Alright, oh, there it is. Okay. Has Lashview written on it. Okay, so that's super cute. And then they have the box of lashes, which you can get just the lashes if you run out. And then you have your bond on one side and your lock on the other side. So one side is bond, one side is lock. And then you have your oil-based lash remover. So yeah, this kit was, I think, $25 for all of these pieces. $25. So I didn't think that was bad. And then to not have to buy it separately, and then it came with the remover. I got this kit because it came with the remover as well versus buying everything separately. So I like that. So I'm gonna be putting on some lashes probably today, and I'll record that for you guys so that you can see me put them on. And then I'll link everything in the description below so that if you want to purchase, you can purchase these as well. Let's see. I'm probably gonna keep this. This is by Kiss. You can get them at probably your local beauty supply store, but I got mine from Sally's. So it's still super cute. I could probably still use it to put my lashes on, so no big deal. Alrighty, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I need subscribers, guys, so if you liked it, if you didn't like it, let me know. Give me some information, you know, what you want to see, what you want to see more of, and then I can put it down in I can have some ideas of what you guys like so that I can, you know, give you more of that. This content is therapeutic for me, but it's also supposed to be enjoyable for you guys. So if there's something that you want to see, let me know, and if I can deliver, I will. If I can't, then I won't. So thank you for watching. Share this video, like it, give me some comments, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.